Hey guys. Let me get my gloves on. So I'm just going to show you all of the new releases from Magpie. We've got the new Fall in Love gel collection. We've got the new Fall in Love flakes. We've got the stickers and we've got some brushes too. Hi Jane, hi Gemma. Can you guys all see and hear me all right? Hello, hello. What do we want to look at first? Will we begin with the gels or will we begin with the stickers? The stickers are my favorite. So I think we're gonna begin with the stickers. And then I'll show you the gels. So if you guys haven't heard of the Magpie stickers before, you guys need to get on the case because the stickers are my absolute favorite thing in the world. They're so easy, they're so quick, they're so thin. So we have got a whole load of these guys. Hey Terry. So the stickers come in packs of silver, packs of white, and packs of gold. So these are the festive ones. We got 3 different festive types. They're really good value for money as well, these little guys. Look at that. Aren't they stunning? Hey Hannah. And see how fine these are. Like these sit so flush. Hey Lois. There's little instructions on the back of these so you guys can see how to apply them. It's dead simple. But yeah, you literally just peel them off. But they're so cute. These little stags and things. I used them actually on my Christmas workshop. See this design here? This is all using stickers. So that's the little stag head from this guy. So you can see how flush they sit on that nail. That's using the velvet matte top coat as well. Sorry, Gemma. I know. I'll apologize now for the amount of things that you're going to want to buy after this. So yeah, that's our first pack. Sorry, I don't know off by heart if this is 1, 2, or 3. I've got a feeling it's 1. So we've got those guys. Then we've got the next set, which has got little snowmen, snow globes, little Merry Christmas signs. These are going to be amazing because who wants to paint Merry Christmas on a nail? Certainly not me. Let's take this guy out. Look how stunning they are. They're so nice. So gold's obviously going to be great for Christmas. Little Santa Clauses. And like you could colour in behind these if you wanted as well. If you wanted to get colours in. Really cute. And then I'll show you the other guys in white. These are my favorite. If you guys are gonna get one pack, this is the pack that I would say to get. These guys are in white. Oh, am I dropping? Look at that. Ain't they cute? So you got little holly wreaths, reindeers, snowflakes, this big guy. Super nice. So delicate. What did I use these guys? I did these designs with these on the Christmas workshop. Cute, huh? This guy's matte, obviously. But it's just so delicate, those stickers. They're so fine. So yeah, that's my favourite pack because I think I'm going to be doing loads of nails like this style for my clients. This is using one of the new gel colours as well, 𝗲𝗹𝗃, which I'm going to be showing you soon. But yeah, absolutely love them. Pop that guy to the side. Did we get any other new ones? No, they're just all in a variety of colours. So yeah, loving the stickers. Totally delicate. Totally cute. We'll get on to the gels next, shall we? Yeah, okay. So we've got 10 new gels, I think. We'll begin with my favourite, which is Sherry Trifle, okay? This guy is definitely going to be one of the most popular gels. I know, they are cute, ain't they? So this is a lovely raspberry red. Okay, really, really lovely. Sherry Trifle. This is it. Cured. Always remember, go by your cured colour, not undercured. So I'd say it's slightly brighter. Once it's cured, it's definitely like a raspberry red colour. So that is our lovely Sherry Trifle. Next, another one that has been really popular.
Oh, she's
It's just me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just lock it. Thank you. So we've got caramel. This is a really nice nude. I am an absolute sucker for nudes. Any nudes I will have. But this is a totally caramel toned one, obviously. So that's it out the bottle. I know I can't do a live without somebody interrupting me. I need a do not disturb sign. So this is caramel. So nice. See, with our pasty Scottish skin, this actually warms you up rather than washes you out. Like loads of nudes usually just wash me out, whereas this guy warms me up. So caramel, another firm favourite. Next, I want to show you the shards, okay? So these are unlike anything Magpie have released. This is Crown Jewels, and this is a glitter shard, okay? And that is not as yellowy gold on that. It is proper champagne gold. Oh, it doesn't look like that at all. Let me turn this light off and see. See, it doesn't have any of those yellowy tones that camera is showing. Let me put it back on. Yeah, it's turning a lot more yellow than it is. It's really a proper champagne gold. Hey, Nikki. Oh, don't worry, Anna. I thought you were just laughing at me. Everyone knocking on my doors. So we've got that in champagne gold, and we've got it in silver. So this is Disco Diva. And these are so opaque. Like, look at that. Do you know, usually when you get a glitter polish and you have to apply like 5 coats, this is just a whole other level because it is so finely packed. You know, these are just 2 layers that I've got on these nails. So that is our silver, which is turning up true to light. I'm so annoyed that champagne one isn't turning out true to light. Yeah, Disco Diva is definitely one of my favourites. And on the Magpie page, you'll see a picture Sarah done with the inkies on top. So cool. So really versatile, that one. So those are my top 4, if you have to narrow it down, which, you know, is going to be hard. Next, that is going to be really popular, is Brandy Snap. This is a really lovely burnt orange. Look at that. Really stunning. So I'll get that on the swatch stick. It totally is like a pre-mixed 𝗴𝗃𝗃, isn't it? So again, just a little bit slightly more orangey when it's chromed. This is coming out a lot more orange as well on this camera. It's a little bit darker than that in person, but super handy. Those are just beautiful. Yes, so nice, Hannah, ain't it? I love it. Brandy Snap is what I've got on the background of this guy from the Christmas workshop. If you guys are coming on the next Christmas workshop, I will have a kit list for all the designs that we are doing. These are all the designs that we're going to be doing. Little penguin, little candy cane, wee jumper, and some icicles. And I've lost my other stick. But yeah, those are what we're going to be doing. But mine are totally full now. But if you do want to go on a Christmas workshop, you can email help@magpiebeauty.co.uk and get in touch with other educators, and they will give you some details. They're going to be super fun. But yeah, I'll have that on my YouTube tomorrow. Next, what will show you? Ruby Tuesday. This is so nice. It is like a really shimmery red. It's coming out a bit more orangey in that camera. It's so pretty, really shimmery. So let's get this here. Beautiful, ain't it? That one's right up your street, Caitlin. Oh, hi, Stephen. Please tell me my car's fixed. So look at that. Really nice. Next up, let's show you Amber Nectar. So this is another shimmer. So the shimmers, you know, they're not like the metallics. This is a shimmer and this is like the flake, okay? So it's totally different. So Amber Nectar is, as she says on the bottle, it is an amber peach shimmer. Really, really nice. Ain't she beautiful? So that is her swatched. Really stunning golden tone through that. Really, really lovely. Next, let's go on to the darker ones. So, Black Cherry. This is a really dark, oh, it's coming off totally brown on there. It's more of like a dark red, purpley colour. Can you see that on the inside of the bottle? Let me show you it here. It is dark, it is. It's like a black cherry, but it's not as brown as that. It's got more of a tinge of purple through it, but it is dark. It is really, really dark. What else have we got? 40 Denier. This is unlike anything Magpie have. This is a sheer black. So this is going to be really handy for doing, like Amanda, one of the educators, did lace designs. Really, really nice with that. You can do, like if it was Halloween, you know, spooky backgrounds that are slightly clear in the background. It's meant to be translucent. Can you see that there? See how it's like see-through? So that is 40 Denier. Really handy for nail art and things if you're wanting to do some fun designs with that. And last but not least, we have got Delilah. So this is a mid-blue. Really popular for Christmas time. I'd say it's got quite grey undertone to it. So, you know, it's not like a bright blue as it's looking. It is definitely more grey undertone. I'll get it on its swatch. So it's just showing up a little bit lighter there than what it is. It's not as light as that in person. But yeah, that is the Fall in Love gel collection. All super, super nice. Really lovely colours. A really good range for you guys to offer your clients. I'm seeing a few of my students jumping on. Hi, Emma. These are going to be great collections. If those of you guys that don't have massive kits and are looking for just some, you know, all-round colours that are going to get you through the next few months, these are your guys. So, next, let's take a wee look at the flakes. These pretty guys, now, I'm bad, I haven't swatched these yet. I haven't had the chance. I literally just got finished clients at like 10 to 8, so I didn't have time. But this is maple, and these are like two-faced chameleon flakes. So you see how it's like green, purple, orange, and they look so nice over black. I'll show you the flakes that I do have swatched, just so you can see what I mean, if I can find them. Maybe I do have them swatched, because I have had these a while. No, do I? Oh, I do. Well done, Ruth. Okay. So these are the flakes. Look at them. So, so nice. So you can apply them fully to the nail like that if you want. Or do I have any where I've like kind of It looks really effective if you leave some bits of black. Really, really easy way to get art done. But these are going to go lovely with the Fall in Love gels as well. So ginger, obviously, is a ginger one. Really, really nice. And then we have got 𝗹𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃, which is purple. And we have got 𝗁𝗏, which is purple blue. So yeah, really nice and easy for nail art, those guys. You can chrome them, you can ombre them, you can fade them, you can do whatever you want with them. And last but not least, let's take a look at these brushes. These are so nice. I haven't even opened them yet. So we've got a few new brushes. Well, this guy's new. This is a fan brush. It's super tiny, but look at the glitter lids. I just love it. So this is a totally new brush. We've got nothing like this. And this is going to be great for sprinkling glitters, great for fading glitters as well. Super, super nice. Then we have got the detailer brush. So we do already have this from Magpie, but just wanted one with a glitter handle, which is quite right, so all our brushes can be matching. So this is the detailer brush. This is really good for applying pigments with, applying you know, doing French cleanups with, applying dusts, like you could apply those flakes with them as well. Loads of different things you can do with that. And then my most used brush is the applicator brush. This is my absolutely favorite brush in the world. This is what I use for glitter application, and this is actually what I use for flake application as well. But now that I have a few, I think this will be my purely glitter brush, and I will have a few other brushes that I can use for, you know, my pigments and things. Hannah, do I know if there's a Christmas winter collection in the pipeline? I cannot comment. I don't know. I'm not sure, Hannah. I don't think so, but yeah, I'm not sure. I know there are some new things. There's always new things coming out, but whether or not it's going to be for Christmas, I don't know. Because this is the autumn winter gel collection, I think this is going to be it for gels, but yeah, I'm not sure about anything else, to be honest. Sorry. Hey Cassandra. Cassandra, in fact, not hey Cassandra, you should not be watching this because you will buy everything. You're on a buying ban. So yeah, those are our brushes. But yeah, I absolutely love these collections. Really, really nice gels, really, really nice stickers. If you don't have the stickers, definitely get yourself some of the stickers. And the flakes too. They're going to be super fun for some designs as well. So I just wanted to quickly jump on and show you guys those. I hope everyone's well. I know today is the first day of lockdown for you guys in England. So I hope you all had a good day. Managed to keep yourselves busy. You've already got most of it. Yeah, that doesn't surprise me, Cassandra. You guys in Ireland and Wales as well. I know you guys have been in lockdown for a long time too. So sending you guys all the positive vibes and loads of love. And yeah, we'll hopefully see you soon. Okay? Bye-bye.